In today's practice, we will explore Rajakapotasana 1. To begin, we'll come into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Connect with your breath. On an inhale, you'll lift the right leg, bending at the knee, bring it forward. Lower both legs down to the ground. You'll walk the back leg to the center of the mat, placing the foot down. You may need to modify by using blankets to support the left hip. And now you'll celebrate a back bend here. And on the exhale, you'll fold forward, taking support for the head if you need it. And now you'll bend the back leg. Either strap the back foot in or take hold of the foot with your left hand. Keeping the front foot flexed, you'll press the pinky edge of the foot into the ground. You can stay here or reach back with your right arm, grabbing hold of the foot with both hands. From here, connect with the breath. Cultivate ease and softness into the physical pose. You'll slowly release, returning the back foot to the earth, framing your hips with your hands, and then plant the palms down, return to downward facing dog. And now you'll repeat the pose on the opposite side. Namaste.